This right here is a 2025 Cadillac Escalade Sport, a $120,000 SUV here at Copart. And this good side here looks absolutely bonkers, but check out that interior. And unfortunately for this one, it suffered some kind of a nasty side swipe right over here. So let's go check it out and let's see if it starts. You know the drill. Before we do that, let's check out all the good stuff. Absolute menacing looking front end. Super clean looking Vossen wheel. Look at that tiny rotor over there. Nittos, 35s, basically brand new. Looks really good on the car. And I'm not sure if it's from the accident or it's supposed to be like that, but the rear sits a lot higher than the front. The rest of the side looks absolutely gorgeous. No damage. It is locked, but I do have the key for it right here. So we're gonna get inside and start it because that interior is absolutely sick. Got some kind of a funky bumper fitment right here. No damage, looks good. Sorry about the lighting, it's pretty brutal. Rear is nice and tall. It is super tall. Look at this, I'm 6'7" and I can't even reach the top. Back here, everything's good. Taillight is off. Fitment on this side of the bumper is good, even though the damage is right here. Quarter panel got a light scuff, fixable. Doors for sure need to be replaced. And then I'm not really sure what's going on over here. But let's go ahead and pull all this stuff off and take a better look. The sun's sticking right on it, so it grips really good. Ouch. But to be honest with you guys, over here, we don't have much damage. Hood, safe. Bumper, basically scuffless, all safe. This is some residue from the sticky stuff. The rim is safe, tire is safe. Now I do see some hinge damage over here and it is actually pushed in, so that will need to be pulled out along with this one. A little bit less, but yeah, 2 doors, some hinge repair, and then assembly work. This is a prime example of something that looks scary, but is really not that bad. What's going on? Just got a brain fart. I just realized that this has no windows. So I was trying to open it, but we're inside just like this. All right. Good, perfect. Yo, this interior is absolutely nasty. Holy moly, bro.
Screen?
Yeah, look at this. That thing is absolutely nasty, bro.
Screens in the back. Full
This is
sunroof.
crazy. This is actually legit.
Makes sense why it's 40 grand already.
Yep, for sure. Dang. Yo, look at this. We got speakers here. Absolute insane looking upholstery for the seats. Steering wheel, AKG audio system. Look at that screen. Oh my goodness. This thing is wild. I'm gonna get some power to it. Yo, someone started up the M3 or something. What is it? Oh yeah, someone started the M4. I did, on accident. The key in my pocket. Bro, I accidentally started the keyless. I sat on the key. I got the M4 key and I sat on it and it started the car. And I was like, who the heck started? There's nobody inside the car. This gotta be the sickest car I've sat in. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine like your kids back there, you got your wife up here, you're chilling in one of these baddies. The striker on the door is electric, so it doesn't let you like throw the door out. So it's pretty sick. Now under here, we have a 450 horsepower beast. Okay, we got power to the car. Let's see. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, one screen lit up. Let's see this. Oh, 2 screens lit up. Okay, press brake. And she fired right up. Look at that, dude. Oh, another screen lit up. We got 1, 2, 3 so far. Oh, 4th one lit up. Look at that bad boy. Back here, we got all the parts. Looks like the headlight, tail light, bunch of interior parts, door panels, trims. We got the side stuff for the other side. Just a bunch of parts back here. Now the cool thing about bigger cars like this is they can lay the seats down and put all the parts in here and you have a significantly less chance of getting the interior damaged. I'm assuming heated and cooling seats back here. Nice little screens, okay, okay. Oh yeah, soft close. I noticed these 2 buttons right here that go down and up in the vehicle. So I stepped outside and I saw this air suspension line. So I'm assuming this is on air suspension front and back. Just click the button and it adjusts the ride height. That's pretty sick. All right, now I know I've said that my wife's dream car is an X5M, but we might have to get something like this instead because this thing is absolutely nasty. To be honest with you, I am so sold on this vehicle and it doesn't really have that much damage, honestly. It's currently at $42,750, which isn't bad considering this is like a $120,000 car. Might have to just get that instead of the X5M. What do you guys think?